Hello my friends, and welcome to another video. I have another template for you for Fusion Davinci Resolve. Files you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video in video description. So let's get to it. Alright, once you open the Fusion, go on FX Library, Templates, and folder where you extracted the file. Mine here is in style text. Drag and drop title text number 4, connect to the media out, ungroup, arrange tools to the grid, line up all tools to the grid, and move it a little bit up. Close this, and as you can see, this is very simple, same as the last one. Have only text and background with a rectangle for the line. When I scroll a little bit further, around about here, we'll see the text, and here it is appearing and line disappearing. For the disappearing text, it's done here in this merge, and the rectangle is done to mask the text. This background for these two merges, transparent background, and this line here disappearing is done in the background with a size and at 270, which is only 1, is not allowed to have 0. This is the reason I use this rectangle here and animate it from 240 to 270 to disappear all the way to width 0.0. If you're left without this rectangle, then this background will have only 1 pixel, and you will have 1 pixel in the middle. Movement is done in this last merge, revealing and moving, and blend from here to here, and that's it. To support my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video.